Hello, in front of me I've got Earfun Air. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. In the beginning, take a look at your earbuds. Here is the left earbud, here is the right earbud. Tap twice on either earbud to play pause. Tap 3 times on right earbud to go to next track. Tap and hold on the right earbud to volume up, and tap and hold on the left earbud to volume down. To answer and end the calls, tap twice on either earbud. To reject call, tap and hold for 2 seconds on either earbud. To answer the second call and hold current call, tap 3 times on either earbud. To transfer 2 calls, tap 3 times on the either earbud. To reject second call, tap and hold for 2 seconds on either earbud. And to activate voice assistant, tap 3 times on the left earbud. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.